Executives with American Airlines are apologizing after they say a lawyer representing them was wrong to blame a child for being recorded on a hidden bathroom camera. The incident happened last October on a flight from Charlotte to Boston. Investigators say flight attendant Estes Thompson III placed the camera in the restroom to secretly record female passengers. The family of a 14-year-old passenger is now suing the airline, but our Dallas sister station is reporting on a new court filing this week. In it, an attorney for American wrote that another child who was recorded is at fault here because she didn't see the camera. Chief Legal Analyst Khalif Rhodes joins us now. So, Khalif, walk us through how something like this could even happen with the airline coming out with that statement.
This is basic. I mean, on this very basic level, there will be a complaint filed, and then you will have a number of days to respond to the complaint. And when you respond to the complaint, you'll do an answer. Sometimes you'll do a counter complaint. You'll say, you know what, I'm going to sue you as well. In your answer, typically all you're doing is addressing what they said in the complaint. I alleged you tripped me. My response would be, hey, no, I didn't trip you, and here's the reasons why. And that is boilerplate responses to the questions that are being asked. Now, oftentimes what you also want to do, and this is the dance, this is kind of the, two-person dance between client and attorney that happens where you want to ensure that you're putting on a defense for your client. And so oftentimes you'll add in there, well, in addition to me denying these allegations, your client may have been at fault because they did X, Y, and Z. Most of the time, it wouldn't say that it was their fault where they should have seen the camera. That was kind of a little bit of a lower blow, I think. Potentially, you're trying to negate their responsibility. In North Carolina, we have something called contributory negligence. And so if you are even 1% at fault, you're barred from getting any type of claim. That's the angle that I believe they're going at, but it could have been done in a more graceful way, and that's why they're rolling that back, because in the court of public opinion, this looked like a spit in the face at someone that had their privacy violated. Well,
yeah, and a child nonetheless, too. So the airline, of course, has since apologized for this, but it feels like the damage has kind of already been done here, especially because this person who has been accused of that still has to go to trial.
Well, you got to look at it a couple of things. We have the criminal case and then we have the civil case. On the criminal side, I think that's cut and dry, open and shut case. They got the camera. They had tons of pictures on his phone. They had a repetitive history of him doing this. And so that portion pushed that aside. On the civil portion, that's a longer process. And so where does this help or hurt each side? It helps when you're talking about settling a case like this, because while you have come out and admitted that we were wrong for making a statement, if I'm representing the family, I'm saying, hey, let's push them to the table and see what's the max offer they can do right now, because nobody wants to take this to trial. If the backlash from them saying that it was the child's fault just in a response was negative, you can only imagine what would happen if you take this to trial and you got to put the kid on the stand and you're tempted to say, yeah, it was your fault, you shouldn't have sat down. Anything like that plays out in the eyes of the jury, the dollar signs are going to go up. So if you have your mitigation department and they're telling you settle a case versus how much legal fees will cost, they're diverting right now to settling this case. And today that just amplifies it by making that statement for sure.
Yeah, statements have a lot of power. They always do. So Khalif, thank you so much.